Start the welcome, blah blah blah. So everything in one in a dating, so we date, so we go, so everything in one. Cause we can't go out. Start off easy.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm your girl Teneisha and this is
Sheldon, hungry Sheldon.
and we're an awesome couple making things happen.
Yes. People me hungry, but not lie.
You can't wait to start it.
Shelantin, awesomeness. Shelantin, awesome. Shelantin, awesomeness. We're chilling with the Shaw family. We're chilling with the Shaw family.
So today, guys, she says she'll cook stew peas, and from morning in the belly.
So we now focus on the camera and take your eye out for the food.
Alright, talk.
Welcome all new subscribers. Thanks to everyone for watching our videos and sharing them. We like the comments. Please do comment in the video and like the video if you thumbs up if you like it.
Alright, people, so we have white rice,
You
pear,
can't wait for start.
what's the name? Chicken foot
And pigtail.
and pig tail, guys.
Stew peas and white rice with raw veg and pear. We're not ready yet.
What? There's not our pantat, no, man. People, I'm hungry. Jesus Christ.
So
Hey.
we're gonna get down in this food.
People, that pear dry. Okay, dry. Mm-hmm. So the real Jamaican stew peas, people.
Who cook?
Well, I'm saying when you find a woman who can cook stew peas good enough, I'm my supper. So people, today we'll try out the jasmine rice. Yeah, the jasmine rice you eat with it. Oh, I almost forget, people. Guess how what kind of juice this is? Say green and thing, people. Guess how what kind of juice? So I'm telling you.
You think we can finish this in 15 minutes?
Based on how I'm choking them. You can't fast, but I take my time and eat. So people, this is cucumber juice, people.
Cucumber and ginger.
Alright, and she do a good job at it, people. Wow. Ready? So no, in Jamaica, stew peas are one of our favorite things, you know.
It's my favorite dish. Ackee and saltfish come second.
Shall put some of the cucumber aside other people.
The pear tastes real good.
Yeah, man, the pear ready. So, if you know say you're bad for cooking stew peas, comment below.
I've been looking out.
You can control your food, right?
Yeah. Take the eye from the food.
People cannot cook stew peas without spinners. You have to have spinners in it.
Let them know what spinners is for those who don't.
Everybody knows what spinners be, man. Dumpling flour. Mm-hmm.
Start up on my food.
If you check on you. Checking it right order.
What that is a calamity.
Jesus Christ. Peace more than nice peer people. Jesus Christ.
We peer nice, me no want to feed on.
You know, I'm gonna sell a piece of my peer.
If you love me, please.
Yeah, I sell you.
Most time I have to go put up my plate again.
There's nothing, no.
Why?
One serving for you. People should want to get bigger on here, people. Food tastes good though.
Pick up the chef.
Big up the chef. People, Corona time. So if I can stay home and look about some nice meal, just do it, you know. So we're on a date right now. Even though you cook.
I mean, pay bill.
Yeah, sometimes I have to pay bill too. Sure. So I want this next week again, you know. Next week. Same time.
Same place.
People, I don't eat fast. I just think that I'm very efficient at eating, but I don't eat fast. I'm just efficient.
No, sir.
Juice are ready. So people, if you haven't tried the cucumber juice, give it a try. Tell them about the ingredients in the cucumber juice.
Cucumber and ginger. Can't tell them about the secret ingredients.
Stupid. No, I'm saying I'm pretty come a while ago.
So what will come in your plate?
Yes, people. I think sometimes people cook stew peas with like what apart from pigtail and chicken foot, what does them use?
Some people put in turkey neck, beef,
Oh yeah, beef. We have another beef one.
and for those vegetarian, they use it. What do they call this? Veggie chunk.
How much spinach you give me? People like me not get enough spinach, you know. So last one I plate it. Me that one there.
You're not getting anything from my plate, and I'm serious. Guys, I think I should share them. We get almost the same amount.
You know count the amount of spinach that you give me?
No, I didn't count, but I just share, I just float the plates.
You want food in that pot, right?
No. Just for me and Tia. And Dre.
Well people, you know so I have second serving about the place. I lie, up here almost done. Well, no, I'm sorry, I can't give you a piece. Sure. Jesus Christ. Take that.
You're
Yeah, but
mean enough?
she won't come take off it off all a man pear.
You're too mean, man.
Me no mean this, but sure. Pear nice.
Real Jamaican food.
Yeah, people. Chicken foot, them really soft and tender too. So, out of 10, that give her 9.5, you know?
So 8.5 gone.
I don't want more spinach on my plate.
Give me 5 now. Give me 0.5.
You will give her a 5?
You want to put me now?
I taste the spinach first.
Saying on your taste already?
Alright, people, me give her 11. 11 me give her.
People just start trick me, forget my spin. Now worry yourself. I have something for you here.
You say you wanted. Greedy, greedy. 9.5 was good enough.
And trick me, forget my spin.
9.5 was good enough.
Let's fill up back the plate now.
You want?
Food nice.
Yeah, I'm greedy a bit, but I know my limit. It's gonna full me up. People, well, gentlemen, get yourself a stew peas cooker.
I'll take you there, taste.
Stew peas up there. Feel sorry for you, you know.
Oh,
Stop here. Along with that. People, did we eat too fast or too slow? Let us know. People, so when a meat is properly pressured, you can know when you go in your mouth and you just suck off the meat off, like you know, if you try it off, that means it's properly pressured. This one meets the criteria. Yep. If you still never sleep after this, you know. Start feeling the full vibe, people. I don't know you can't waste 2 peas, you know. You have to done it. Have to done it, people.
Pear is my favorite.
Go on then.
Alright.
You finish it for me? I get less food than you. So,
I was more hungry than you.
what feels in you fast today? Now, let me first finish. See me can win you.
El peón.
You may try beat her.
I help him, mommy. I help him. Finish.
No, they must be the truth.
No.
People who first finish.
Drinks. Me wet you up without you.
Me first finish. People, I won. I won.
Oh God, I'm full.
This was good, people. You know, this is our third mukbang. Shout out to the Greedy family. The Greedy family. Check out the channel, guys. They have some awesome mukbangs over there. We're gonna leave their link in the description. You can check them out.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a lot of mukbang. We're not start yet. They have a lot. Anyway, guys.
Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're full. Yeah. Peace out.
Please remember to like and share.
Yeah.